Okay, grade 12, let's look at another lesson on double angles. In this example, we are going to work backwards with our double angle. So they will give us this, and we have to give them this. So can you see what we're doing? I'm going to repeat. They will give us this, and we have to give them this. Or they will give us this one, and we have to give them this. So they give us the expanded version, and we take it back. Let's look at number 1. Here we have 2 sine 3 theta cos 3 theta. So we have a 2 sine cos of the same angle. So here you see at the bottom, we have a 2 sine cos, and the angles are also the same. So I can see I'm going to use this angle here. Just remember, grade 12s, we are going from this to this. So I'm going to write the left-hand side down. So can you see I'm going to write it down? It's sine 2a. So you write it down, and then you must just make a note. This a is now 3 theta. So when you rewrite it, you are going to write sine 2, not a, but 3 theta. So now this becomes sine 2 times 3 theta is 6 theta. And that's the answer. For number 2, we have 2 sine a over 2 cos a over 2. So again, I notice I have a 2 sine cos, and the angles are the same. I'm going to highlight the angles here. And then I'm going to see sine cos of the same angle is the sine double angle. So it's this one. And because I'm going from this to this, I'm writing this down. So let's write it down. Sine 2a. So sine 2. A is the angles that I highlighted, which is a over 2. 2 times a over 2. 2 times a over 2. This 2 and this 2 will cancel. So I'm left with a. And that's sine a. And then you took it back. You simplified. Number 3 says 4 sine x cos x, and you have to simplify to a single trig ratio. Now, I have a sine and a cos of the same angle. So I can highlight the angle, but the problem is I have a 4. It's not supposed to be 4. It's supposed to be 2. So I'm going to rewrite 4 as 2 times 2 times sine x cos x. So can you see, grade 12s? There is your double angle. So it's this one over here, which will become this one. So I write this one down. So you keep this other 2 in front, and then you write down sine 2a. But remember, a is not a. A is the angle I highlighted. So then let's go on. This will become 2, which is this 2 here, and this 2 here. And then I'm going to say sine 2, and then the angle is x. And then you simplify that one. So this one will have a 2 in front. Let's look at number B1. Here we're going to use our cos double angle. So here we have a cos squared, sine squared, and the angles are the same. I'm highlighting my angles. So this is an angle and this, and they look the same. So I'm busy with this one over here. Remember, grade 12s, I'm going from this to this. So I write this down. So let's write cos 2a. But I'm not busy with a. I'm busy with the highlighted angle, which is 2 theta. So this becomes cos, this times this, 4 theta. And there, you simplified it. Number 2, here we have 1 minus 2 sine squared 2 theta is this double angle over here. But remember, I'm going from this to this. So I write this down. So let's write it down. Cos 2a. But let's highlight the a. This is the whole angle. That's a. So when I rewrite this, I say cos 2, and my a is 2 theta. So then I multiply, and I get cos 4 theta. Number 3 says you have to simplify this. Sine squared theta minus cos squared theta. We have a problem here. Look at our double angle. It starts with cos. So it must be cos squared A minus sine squared A, not the other way around. Remember in my previous video, I said we can switch them around. So let's switch them around first because now they look better. But I have to put a negative in front. This is A. So our A is this angle over here. So this A. Now remember, I'm going from here to there. So let's write it down. So I write cos 2A down. But remember, there's now this negative in front. I put my negative there. Negative. Cos 2A is this angle. So it's theta. And 2 times theta is negative cos 2 theta. And that's the answer.